you want to make $100 per month in passive income with cryptocurrency staking, you will need a good investment to reach that goal. But if you want to know how much you will need, I will show you how to do the calculation because it's quite easy. The first thing to do is to convert the monthly amount into an annual amount in the calculator. If you want to make $100 per month, you put 100 and multiply it by the 12 months in a year, and you will need to achieve a total of 1,200 as annual earnings in the staking of the chosen cryptocurrency. Now, you're going to look for an exchange that allows you to stake your cryptos. For example, let's choose Binance, which offers an annual return of 3%. Back to the calculator, this time we will divide the 1,200 by the percentage, which is 3%. This tells us that each 1% is equal to 400. Now multiply it by 100 and you will get $40,000 that you need to stake in order to generate $100 per month on Binance. If you have any doubts, let's put 40,000 multiplied by 0.03 to represent 3%, and it gives us the same result of 1,200. But it doesn't end here, because there are alternatives that offers up to 4 times more than what Binance offers. Now let's move to Nexo, which defaults to an 8% annual return. We will do the same calculation, which, if you notice, is like a reverse calculation compared to calculating a percentage. Yes, math class with Mr. Tips. So we will put 1,200 divided by the no percentage, which is 8. It gives us 150, and when multiplied by 100, we need to have $15,000 staked on Nexo to generate $100 passively every month. But it doesn't end here yet, because Nexo has its level system. If we are at the highest level, it will give us 10% or 11%. Let's do the same calculation. Well, with 10%, it's quite obvious. We just need to multiply it by 10 to know that we need $12,000 staked to generate $100 monthly. But now, with 11%, let's put 1,200 divided by 11, which gives us a result of 109.09. When multiplied by 100, it tells us that we need $10,909 to generate a monthly passive income of $100 every month. If you don't know how to make Nexo give you an 11% annual return in USDT or even rise it to 16%, I will teach you how to do it in this video right here.